Okay, this is Algebra 2, Section 2.6. We're doing example 1, which is step functions. So in this case, we've got a psychologist, and he's charging for his counseling session at a rate of $85 per hour, or any fraction thereof, which means if you stay for 1 hour and 1 minute, you're going to get charged for 2 full hours. If you stay for only 30 minutes, you still get charged for the first full hour. So we want to look at the situation, what it looks like as a graph. So the easiest thing to do is let's make ourselves a little table. Let me insert a table there. So we have our hours, and we have how much we have to pay. So for 0 hours, we're going to pay 0 amount. For a half hour, we're going to pay $85. For 3/4 of an hour, we're going to pay $85. For 1 hour, we're going to pay $85. For 1.1 hour, we're going to pay, well, 85 plus 85 is $160, $170. If you pay 1.2 hours, it's still 170. If you go 1.9 hours, it's still 170. Let's add a row here. Row, row, row. Okay? But as soon as you get 2 hours, we're now going to pay that next fee again. So, nope, 2 hours, it's still 170, sorry. But then when we go to 2.1 hours, now we're going to add that $85 on there again. And so 170 plus 85 should be 225. And like 2.5 should be 225 also. Okay, so you see how you're going to get all these middle values are going to have the same amount, and then it's going to keep going up only when you reach the next hour. So I need some values here. So let's go with 85 will be my first one, and then the 170, and then the 225. And then if I put those on the graph. So we've got some points to plot now. Let me grab a marker and plot some points. So at 0 hours, I pay $0. At a half an hour, this would be hours, and this is pay. A half an hour, I'm going to be paying 85, and 3/4, I'm going to be paying 85, and at 1 hour, I'm going to be paying 85. So anywhere after this time I walk in the door, up until 1 hour, I'm going to be paying $85. Then, right after 1 hour, the second I pass it, I'm going to be paying $170 up until I get to 2 hours. And then at 2 hours and 1 minute, I jump up and I'm going to pay $225. And I can keep going with that just by adding 85. So 225 plus 85 is 340. And then plus 85 more is 425. And plus 85 more is 510. Okay, so you keep going. This would be second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, hour. Okay, so as soon as I reach 3 hours and 1 minute, I'm at $340. 4 hours and 1 minute, I'm at $425. And 5 hours and 1 minute, I'm at $510. Okay, so that's what the data would look like when it's graphed. And we call this a step function because it looks like I built a set of steps. And it is a function because if I draw a vertical line, and no matter where I put that line, it does only cross through one point because at $5, I'm at 425. It's not till 5 hours and 1 second that I would be at 5:10, and I can move that on across. Same thing at 4 hours. At 4 hours, I'm at $340. At 4 hours and 1 second, I'm then up at 425. So this is in fact a function. It passes my vertical line test, and it's just called a step function because it looks like steps.